Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to break down the differences between ECN and STP Forex brokers so you can understand how each model works. Let's get right into it. When comparing ECN and STP brokers, the key distinction lies in how orders are routed. ECN brokers connect traders directly to a network of liquidity providers, while STP brokers pass orders straight through to their liquidity sources without a deal index. Each model has implications for spreads, execution speed, and transparency. Understanding these differences can help you evaluate which broker type aligns with your trading approach. Now let's take a look at the key concepts and parameters. Key factors to consider include spread types, commission structures, order execution methods, and the level of market depth available. ECN brokers typically offer variable spreads with a commission, while STP brokers may offer slightly wider spreads with no separate commission. As for who is for, this topic is relevant for traders at all experience levels who want to understand the mechanics behind broker models. Keep in mind that neither model guarantees better results. Broker selection should be based on your individual trading needs, regulatory considerations, and overall cost structure. Always do your own due diligence before choosing a broker. That's going to be a wrap up for today's video. If you'd like to download this resource or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.